I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on your contact sensor and your motion sensor for your Ring home alarm Generation 2. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do-it-yourself videos, vacation videos, product reviews, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm getting ready to change the battery in the contact sensor and the motion sensor for my Ring home alarm Generation 2. So there's a couple ways of knowing when you need to change this. One, for the obvious, is when you open the window or door, you no longer hear that alert from your base station, such as this. I'll open this window and we cannot hear any kind of contact or any noise from the base station, such as a sensor that is currently working. And I'll show you that one that's working. So here we have a contact sensor on a door where the battery is working, and this is exactly what should happen when you open the door. As you can hear the audible sound from the base station, so we know that the sensor currently has battery power. So if you go into your Ring app and you just go under Alarm Base Station, you're going to be able to see all the sensors, contact sensors, motion sensors, everything, keypad, everything that's online, and you're going to be able to see what's going on your sensors. So you can see here, we have living room window that's offline, and the kitchen window is offline. So those batteries are dead, and you can actually just go in and see throughout the different sensors and see how much battery power is left. So we have a full battery there. And if you go to the one that's offline, you can see battery is dead and it needs changing. So it's always good to just go through these contact sensors and the motion sensor just to double check and check how much battery you have left before you run out and you get caught without having any batteries and you need to change them. So it's always good to pay attention to your app, but if not, always have batteries on hand. And now I'm going to show you what batteries you need and how to change them. Okay, so this is the living room contact sensor, and this is one of the sensors that I will be changing since the battery is dead. So to simply change that, now of course there is a sticky tape that is holding this down for the magnet piece and the actual contact sensor. So you simply just press out like such, and you can see there's the plate, and we turn this around and we have two batteries. And the batteries that you're going to need for the Ring home alarm Generation 2 is going to be two CR2032s, so 2032s, two CR2032 batteries, and I do have that right here. We got a brand new pack. I always recommend having a bunch of them on hand. So I'm just going to simply take these ones out, and I'm going to change those with some new ones. So you just want to either get something pointy like a knife, and these will pop right out. Very simple. Dispose of those and insert the new ones. So now I've got my new CR2032 batteries in my hand, and I'm just going to go ahead and insert those in. Okay. Okay. And once you insert those in, just as you're taking it out, you're just going to want to line that up with the housing and click that into place. And the sensor should go online automatically. And there we have audible from the base station, so we know the sensor is back online. Now I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in the motion sensor. Now the batteries are not dead on my motion sensor here. It's about 50%, but I just wanted to take it off and show you what you would do and what batteries there are. So just grab a hold of the motion sensor, and you're going to press up. You're going to push it up a little bit, and you'll see that it'll currently go offline. And what we have is actually 2 AA batteries, and that's what's in this motion sensor. So if you need to change those, it's quite simple. Just go ahead and dispose the old batteries and put in 2 new AA batteries for your Ring Home Alarm Generation 2 motion sensor. And when you put those in, and you're just going to put this back down, and the motion sensor will be back online. Now with the contact sensor batteries changed, just going to go back into the app under Alarm Base Station. We're just going to take a look and see what's going on here. And now we can see that everything is back online, and nothing is showing anything offline. So that's good. And that just shows that everything has power. And just periodically take a look at the different sensors, window, door sensors, and motion sensor, and just double check the battery. You might want to change it before it goes out, and you won't have to worry about it not responding back to the base station. I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description if you need to get some of these batteries. So that's it. That's how you change your batteries in your contact sensor and your motion sensor for your Ring Home Alarm Generation 2. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.